Nanomyceles using nanoparticles for cancer treatment. These have hydrophilic outer shell and hydrophobic interior, making them perfect carrier for delivering drug molecules. With the advance in nanotechnology, researchers across the globe have been exploring how to use nanoparticles for efficient drug delivery. Similar to nanoshells and nanovessels, nanomyceles are extremely small structures and have been noted as emerging platform in targeted therapy. Nanomyceles are globe-like structures with hydrophilic outer shell and hydrophobic interior. This dual property makes them a perfect carrier for delivering drug molecules. Drug delivery mechanism. Now, a multidisciplinary, multi-institutional team has created a nanomycele that can be used to deliver a drug named docetaxel, which is commonly used to treat various cancers including breast, colon, and lung cancer. The ideal goal for cancer therapy is destroying the cancer cells without harming the healthy cells of the body, and chemotherapeutics approved for treatment of cancer are highly toxic. The currently used docetaxel is highly hydrophobic drug and is dissolved in chemical mixture, polysorbate 80 and alcohol. This aggravates its toxic effects on liver, blood cells, and lungs. So, there was an urgent and unmet need to develop effective drug delivery vehicles for docetaxel without these side effects, explains Avinash Bajaj from the Laboratory of Nanotechnology and Chemical Biology at Regional Center for Biotechnology, Faridabad. He is one of the corresponding authors of the paper recently published in Agnevante Chemie. Small but active, these nanomyceles are less than 100 nanometers in size and are stable at room temperature. Once injected intravenously, these nanomyceles can easily escape the circulation and enter the solid tumors where blood vessels are found to be leaky. These leaky blood vessels are absent in the healthy organs. Chemical conjugation would render the phospholipid docetaxel product to be silent in the circulation and healthy organs, but once it enters the cancer cells, the enzymes will cleave the bond to activate the drug and kill the cancer cells. That is, these nanomyceles, when the docetaxel drug is placed in these nanomyceles are used for circulation, but these nanomyceles can easily escape the circulation and enter the solid tumors where the blood vessels are found to be leaky, because you can see that you can see in this diagram that nanomycele formation and tal vein injection in the breast tumor model, and these nanomyceles target the tumor cell because these tumor suppressor gene, it binds to the tumor suppressor gene. Superior safety profile and pharmaceuticals. This is the superiority order profile in superiority safety profile and pharma techniques. That is first rat, rabbit, and monkey. This is a superior safety monkey. So how does this nanomyceles take the drug particle? The nanomyceles can easily escape through the circulation and enter the solid tumors where the blood vessels are found to be leaky. That is, these tumors are found where the blood vessels are leaky, and these leaky blood vessels are absent in the healthy organs. Chemical conjugation would render the phospholipid docetaxel prodrug to be silent in the circulation and healthy organs, but once it enters the cancer cells, the enzymes will cleave the bond to activate the drug. That is, they remove from the myceli. The bond is after reaching the tumor cell, the bond between the nanomyceli and the docetaxel will be cleaved to activate the drug and kills cancer cells, adds Dr. Bajaj. A team tested the effectiveness of the nanomyceles in a mice breast tumor model and was found to develop in tumor regression. Its toxicity was compared with the currently used FDA approved formulation and found to be less toxic. Similar promising results were seen when tested in higher model organisms including rats, rabbits, and rhesus monkey. The team further studied the mode of action of the nanomyceles and found that they work for enhancing the expression of tumor suppressor genes. We are currently working to develop a nanomycele which can carry multiple drugs and increases the effectiveness of individual drug. Previously, we developed a hydrogel drug delivery system to carry a combination of three drugs. These nanomissiles are extremely cost effective and can prove to be next generation chemotherapeutic, adds Ujjaini Das Gupta from the Amity Institute of Integrative Sciences and Health, Amity University, Gurgaon. So this once injected intravenously, that is through the body, these nanomissiles can easily escape through the circulation and enter the solid tumors. You can see the picture. Once injected into the intravenously injected, this can directly escape through the blood vessels and directly reach the tumor cells. So this is the applications of the nanotechnology in drug delivery system and cancer treatment.